Have you ever seen a glossy black cockatoo? Probably not. Hi, we're Isabella and Audrey, and you're watching A&I Endangered.
Welcome to the first episode of A&I Endangered. Today we are looking at the endangered glossy black cockatoos.
Their habitat, diet, and so much more.
Let's take a look into where they live.
The glossy black cockatoo lives in coastal woodlands and drier forest areas, where its food source, the casuarina, is common.
Scientists think that glossy black cockatoos prefer to live in places where lots of clearing has not taken place. Ringler scrub or hilly rocky country containing casuarina species tend to be their preferred habitat in inland New South Wales. Now it's time for their diet.
The glossy black cockatoo generally prefers to feed on fully grown casuarina trees.
A study in New South Wales indicates that the glossy black cockatoo is selective in its choice of food trees, choosing casuarinas that produce seeds with high nutrient value. A pair of glossy black cockatoos may make short visits to various feed trees once in a small area, checking the quality of the seeds. Once satisfied, the pair will settle in one feed tree and harvest all the contents.
Glossy black cockatoos occasionally eat seeds from eucalyptus, angophoras, acacias, and huckies, as well as eating insect larvae in central west New South Wales. They also eat the seeds of cypress pine.
What do they look like? The glossy black cockatoo is approximately 46 to 50 centimeters long and is generally smaller than other black cockatoos. It is a brownish black color and has a small crest.
There are some differences in appearance between male and female birds. The male can be identified by the browner color on the head and underparts and by bright red panels in the black tail. The female has a wider tail, which is red to reddish yellow with black. The female may also have yellow markings around the head.
Their threats. Since European colonization, a major threat to the survival of the glossy black cockatoo is habitat loss. The clearing of casuarina trees in woodland areas and the loss of mature eucalyptus for nest holes.
Changes to the patterns of bushfires in eastern Australia since European settlement have also been a contribution to the loss of habitat for the glossy black cockatoo. Casuarina trees are very fire sensitive and are easily killed in an intense fire. Large dead trees where the bird's nest may also be destroyed in a fire.
Glossy black cockatoos are also threatened by feral cats and possums, which raids the bird's nest. They also suffer from competition for nests from the last and introduced honeybees.
What can you do to help a glossy black cockatoo? Plant casuarina trees as they are vital to the survival of the glossy black cockatoos. Don't let your pets wander unsupervised at night. Domestic dogs and cats can kill glossy black cockatoos. If you find an injured or displaced glossy black cockatoo, contact your local DPE office or a registered wildlife rehabilitation group as soon as possible. Quiz time!
What is the glossy black cockatoo's main food source? A. Banksia, B. Insects, or C. Casuarina?
If you got C, casuarina, you were correct. Give yourself a pat on the back.
Joke time.
A bird stole my snack. You know what I said?
Two can play at that game.
And that's all for the first episode of A&I Endangered.